There was once a man in India, long before coaching centers or IIT dreams, a man known as the Tiger Swami, who fought real tigers with his bare hands. But he wasn't the strongest man in the world. He simply trained his mind to never flinch. He believed in his preparation. He turned fear into fuel. And when he entered the ring, even the tiger could sense it. Now you are not fighting a tiger in the jungle, but you are facing your own, a paper, a pressure, a moment that looks big. Remember this. Your tiger is not there to scare you. It is there to prove who you have become. You have trained. You have bled on the battlefield of routine, failure, setbacks, practice, and resilience. And when you step into the exam hall, do not carry fear. Carry that fire. Carry that calm. Carry your truth. The tiger will bow. Your FIITJEE family is with you as believers in your journey. Go show the world what you're made of. Rise fearless, roar forward.